Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to show or hide icons, folders, files or anything on your Windows 11 desktop by the simplest way. On my desktop, I have many files, some folders, icons, shortcuts and some files, and I want to hide that some files or all files. That is very easy in Windows 11. First, select the files or folders or anything that you want to hide. Press the control key on your keyboard. Press the control key on your keyboard. Select the files that you want to hide. Select all files that you want to hide. I want to hide these all files and right click on this file, any file that you want. Right click on it and click on show more options. Click on the properties. In properties, here we find attributes. In attributes, we find hidden. Click on hidden. Click on apply. Click on apply change to selected atom, or first apply change to selected atoms only. Click on anywhere and click on OK. Click on OK and your all selected files, icons, folder or the shortcuts are hide in the Windows 11 desktop. Now, if you want to see that files, that is very easy. Go to the any folder. Go to the any folder. I go to the this PC. You can go to the anywhere. Go to the anywhere. And in view, here we find view. In view, click at view. Here we find show. And here we find hidden items. Click on hidden items. And your all hidden files are show in the desktop. But it is very temporary. And if you want to unhide this all files or properly show that all files, that is very also easy. Repeat the same process. Click on the folder that you or the shortcuts or the icons or files that you want to show or unhide. Select all files that you want to unhide or folders that you want to unhide. Right click on that folder, any folder or any file that you want, and click on show more options or click on the properties. Here we find properties. In properties, here we find hidden. Uncheck this. Click on apply. Click on the apply change or first item or the second item depending on your selection. Click on OK. Click on OK. And your all files that are previously hidden are now show in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, this is the simplest way to show or hide icons, folders, files or anything on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.